Yo, it's your boy Killa. Back at you for Killer Garments. Back at you representing BROSKIFAMM. I know it's been a while. I'm back though. I'm back for y'all. I mean, I got a couple more reviews going. I just wanted to get enough content to where it just wasn't irrelevant me posting stuff. I'm gonna be on top of putting everything in categories for y'all, and I'm about to have my first Hype Beast mystery box. It's gonna start with one, go to two, and on up from there. Cause I got plenty of Hype Beast tags on it, top of the line. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, BROSKIFAMM. I appreciate y'all for always standing up and standing out, commenting, just viewing. Anybody is welcome. This is a interactive channel. Ask me questions, I'll give you answers. Anything I can do to kind of get this going the right way. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, let's get on with this JACOJE unboxing review. Well, I'm gonna say unboxing because y'all haven't seen it from me yet. Y'all seen it from JACOJE, but y'all haven't seen it from me yet. And I'm sorry about the noise. I'm in Brooklyn. It's Labor Day weekend. You know, people getting it rocking. But first and foremost, Sour Power Hour. Let's get to it. Bang bang. Bang bang. And this sounds like a non-driving ass motorcycle dude. You know. Alright, good looking, bro. It usually take them an hour to park that thing in front of my building. But yeah, always good to see the people. I appreciate the people. I'm kind of tight that YouTube did what they did with the live. They talk about, yo, you gotta have a certain amount of people or whatever, or a certain amount of whatever. I don't have it yet. I'm still trying to get there. Um, only with y'all help. Only with y'all help. So, back to the point of the video, y'all. Let's get it. Review unboxing, JACOJE Fine Jewelry, Braden. You heard? Bam. We got that good old new style box he got. If y'all got some new pieces in the last few months, then y'all know the box. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, y'all. Let's see what's going on inside of here. It's that good old authentication first. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, I just dropped the stick up out that thing. Let's put that back the way it's supposed to go. I don't want y'all to think I'm playing tricks. Alright, let's get with the authentication. Now, this is a special order, you heard? Check it out. This is definitely a special order because it's not on his page. You go check and see. You probably could order it. I know he has one because he had it on one of his videos. That's why I said you might have seen it already. Alright, so let's go through the list. Chain style, heavy link, 5mm, 8-inch, 22.5 grams on that thing, 14 karat gold, packed by that man Braden. No diamonds, no gemstones. You know, just so you clear. You dig? Moving on. You know you get that complimentary sticker thing popping. You heard? And then he got these plush these plush new white bags going for him. Nothing else in that box but the aluminum bottom, which is great packaging again by Braden. I always tell him great packaging. Listen, I'm in constant contact with this man, and you know we do business, so let's get to it. Kind of neglecting my Sour Power Hour, but I know people attention spans are short, so I'm getting to it. You heard? Like I said, questions, comments, feel free. And this what we looking at, 5mm heavy link bracelet. Y'all ready? All right. Bam. This is what it's looking like in the bag. This is what it's looking like in the bag. Beautiful. Beautiful. I do approve of this message. Beautiful. I'm gonna get y'all a better look at it in 2 seconds. I got y'all. I've been doing this for a couple of little minutes, so kind of learning the tricks of the trade of how to get this right so you can see it correctly. You know what I'm saying? Let's not forget Sour Power Hour while we in it. You heard? I'm gonna hit you with one of the first bags I ever got from Braden. You know what I'm saying? To show the details a little bit better for y'all. Like I said, this is a 5mm heavy link 8-inch bracelet, 14 karat, 22.5 grams. I know some people chains don't even weigh that much, but that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. We got a JACOJE etching on one of the lobster, one of the clasp, one of the ends on the clasp is a lobster. I mean, it's a JACOJE imprint. Other side says 14 karat. I'm not sure if I could get it to show, but I'll try. I just wanted y'all to get a good look at that. 5mm, 8-inch, 22.5 grams, 14 karat. Heavy link bracelet. That's not on the page, so order it if you need that. You heard? See if I could get the etching in there for y'all. Nah, I'm already seeing that that's not even gonna be possible. Trying my best, but trying my best, but I'm not gonna try too long. Hope y'all can catch the etching. You did. You did. All right. Hit y'all with the B-roll real quick one more time. Let you know what it is. Hit you with a little bit of that glistening. Yeah. Yeah. And that's gonna go on my right hand because I got two already on. That's gonna go on my left hand because I got two already on the right. I only got one bracelet on the left. On my good old 41. And this from Braden too. This is the flat curve 5.5. I know I'm not gonna get it on straight the first time. I'm just trying to get it on so y'all can see what it's looking like. BROSKIFAMM, holla at me. Let me know what's up. I appreciate y'all. Again, like I said, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. Like, cook. Help me. I need y'all to help me get to that monetization side so I could get paid for my talent, my little bit of content. Because a lot of people have told me through the little 2 years I've been doing this that it was helpful, and in some cases a deciding factor in buying from Braden. And they tell Braden the same, saying like I'm capping. Ain't no capping popping over here. You heard? They don't do no capping. And for those who want to know what I do for work, I work hard, period. That's all that matters. I work hard. Look how that thing glistening. Let me see if I'm gonna pull back the flat curve. That thing looking righteous. That's that righteous, I might just. You heard? Like I said, some people chains don't even weigh this much. 22.5 on the wrist. One piece. You dig? Alright? Questions, comments, you know, no funny style. Cause I ain't into all that negativity. Only positivity ruling over here. Only positivity running on this block over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all get to the neck. The neck is soon. I'm gonna do a full comprehensive. I've been telling y'all I'm gonna do a full comprehensive, but best believe it's coming ASAP. It ain't the best, but it surely ain't the worst. That box lock action. I'm gonna show y'all about that box lock action too, because mines came a long time before people was even thinking about that. Sour Power Hour, don't forget that. Box lock action on that Cuban thing, that handmade. You see them diamonds. And like I said, I'm gonna do some backtracking and show y'all that I believe I'm the first to even think about doing this in the regular hood. Julie's probably been doing it, but that box lock action, I had mine years ago, and I'm gonna show y'all the proof. Time, dated, and stamp, receipts type of thing, you heard? Yes, my ear's still on them carrot and a half thing. Y'all know what time it is. But yeah, y'all came to see this. Here it is. Big shout to Braden, always coming through. Well appreciated. I'm gonna shout one more time to my broski fam. Bang bang. Stay with me. It's Killa, 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 and I represent for broski fam. It's Killa, 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 and I represent for Killa Garments. I told you I'm about to have my first Hype Beast mystery box. There's gonna be more info about that. I'm gonna get these categories together so y'all know where to go and see what y'all wanna see. And I appreciate y'all, always know that. Nothing but positive vibes coming from this side to everybody. I give respect until it's not given. I'd rather you not say nothing than give me some bullshit. But anyway, it's your boy Killa, Killa, Killa. Stay safe out there. I'm always hit you with the something that my grandmother always taught me. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Oh, them finger things moving too. Finger things kind of dancing. I just caught it off the side. Finger things dancing a little bit on them. Finger things dancing. The dancers. The dancers. But yeah, shout your boy. I appreciate y'all. Bang bang. Oh, it's your boy Killa, Killa, Killa. Represent for Broski Fam. It's your boy Killa, Killa, Killa. Represent for Killa Garments. Once again, I appreciate y'all. Love, peace, and hair grease. Stay safe and stay smart. Intelligence over emotion. Thank you very much. Bang bang.